Peter Pan, that's what they call me.
Hello, 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 Peter Pan's here. Wanted to do a quick video to teach everyone that didn't know how to use the gift code. The top left corner here, I got this cool yin and yang photo there going on. Let me turn that media down, I'm sorry. You click on your avatar to go to your stuff, and at the bottom left, the blue settings, click on that. And then the very last row, gift code right there. Quick and easy, just click on it and enter the code. It is case sensitive as well. You got to do it exactly. Here, I'll go ahead and put it in. You got to do it exactly like it shows, which if my memory calls right, that is it right there. I will double check and put in descriptions if I'm incorrect. The other one that has been out for a while is Top War 888, and there was even another one before that, but it does not work anymore. On that topic, if you're new and haven't done this yet, go to the store all the way over. Man, that was incorrect. Go to the task. It looks like a speaker, and you know the task list. Task list. There we go. I don't have a list. Anyways, sorry, I got to be silly. What was I doing? This right here. Follow the community. You get 100 gems just by clicking on it and then going back. Don't even have to do nothing. So they might fix that soon. I don't know, but you just click on them. Oh, and that was my lovely wife. Just click on them, and that's what happens. So you get them in your mail. Then you go to your mail and open it. And yeah, here is the actual announcement they had 15 hours ago. TopwarEaster right there is capital T, capital E. Boom. That's all. And you get those gifts. 150 gems, 10 coin chests, 10 blue chests. Be saving those coin chests because, man, do you need them? I'm up here level, what I get, 68 now. And for those of you following my expedition through the game, so this right here is expensive. I still have to buy these, and I got a few chests there that I'm waiting about to open, I guess, to put all towards this. And then when the arms race comes to spend gold or to level up tech, I will do these because I don't need them right now. Everything's all good. I had a fun kill event today. And got the Capital War coming up. Let's see how this is. Yeah. Ooh. Been fun over here in 3:45. Anyways, y'all have any questions or comments, please feel free to leave it on here. I've been responding and appreciating everyone's taking the time to watch these videos. There's so much information I want to share and add. Like I'm shipped, so I'm going to unlock this next. Putting the purple tiles out under on the edge, because right here, these ships, it doesn't get in the way of me building and merging. And then when you have these tasks that you're trying to do, when you go to promote, it says right there, I have 38 of 60. I need the epic, which it's color coordinated. Purple's elite, epic is orange, legends is red. So I'm focusing on those, and I'm spending my military tickets right now because I would like to get, where is it at right here? I'd like to get a few more of these because I have 12, but just kind of let y'all in my house and let you see around a little bit. I want to get these going, and I need 15 of those. And I'll have that food going, but yeah, these take forever. This one was over 7 days long. But it's been fun, been great, been worth it. I got to build up and merge after I lost some troops in fighting today. But you have 5 gift boxes. A lot of this is already covered. I really need to separate it into different videos, but that's even more time consuming. So I might just have one video, although most of y'all only watch these for like 2 minutes. There's a lot to this game. So if you're going to play it, then you're gonna have to spend a lot of time and or money to be good at it. So when you get out what you put in. But I'm here to help in the long haul. I'm going to be here for a while and continuing to grow. I plan on actually creating a new account. You go into your settings, manage character, the top right one, right there. You can have other accounts and just click on it. Boom, you can have up to 3. And now I gotta block that out. Someone, Farside on Discord, told me to block out the ID because somebody could steal your account that way. So y'all be careful, and I'm gonna have to go do that. That's why I'm saying it's easier just to put it all in one video. But anyways, that's it for now. Good luck with the gift code. Good luck with today's Capital War event and in server versus servers next week, guys. And I will see you soon. Bye.
Peter Pan, that's what they call me. I promise that you'll never be lonely.